This is how you create templates inside of ClickUp. You can create templates at the task level, the list level, the space level, the folder level. You can really create templates for anything. So inside of a space, if we wanted to template a space, we're going to click on the 3 dots to the right of the space name. We will click templates, and then we will click save as template. Now in here, you have a few options. You want to go ahead and give the template a name, and you want to select who can access that template. Now be careful, if you select everyone can access that template, then anyone can put that template public. So make it accessible to anybody. So be careful what you do with that. If you set to public sharing, that will enable you to share that template with anybody on the internet who has that template link. Import options, you can click customize to decide what should be included in that template or excluded from that template. So some people try to use templates for migration. I would not recommend that. So if you have like 5,000 tasks inside of a list or space template, if you try to save that as a template and then duplicate it somewhere else, it's probably not going to work how you expect it to. But that is how you save a list, task, folder, or space template, just like that. If you love using ClickUp and you want to get better at using it, check out our free spilled water everywhere. Check out our free ClickUp community at the link in the description below.